The V-shaped Cadillac badge on the passenger seat is still in good condition, but on the driver's seat it broke off. So I bought a replacement Cadillac badge, and it would be nice if you can just insert it like so and be done with it. But no. The top of the leather seat would need to come down, and the headrest would need to be completely removed. And to remove the headrest, press on the side button and lift it up, but it won't go any further than that. So you'll have to unscrew these two little caps, lift them up, turn, and they should stay up there out of your way. And now if you look on the left side under the headrest, you'll see a tiny wire spring. You can pull on it with some kind of hook while pushing the headrest up. Now do the same thing on the other side. Pull towards yourself and push up on the headrest. Now you'll need to remove the plastic backplate from the seat. And while most GM vehicles have two clips on the bottom, this Cadillac XT5 have two clips on the top. And if you have a stiff scraper like this, it will make this chore much easier. You could slide your fingers behind the plastic cover and find the top part of the spring clip, then slide the scraper right next to your fingers. Wiggle the scraper to move it a little lower than your fingers. Pull the handle towards yourself a little and press on it to release the clip. And now do the same thing on the other side. Slide your fingers in, then the scraper. Just try not to cut your fingers with it. Pull the scraper towards yourself a little and push on it. And hear what was happening behind the scene. When you first slide the scraper in, you hit the top part of the spring. When you skip over it, you hit the plastic edge. And if you just let it slide over, you'll miss the spring. And that's why you'll need to pull the handle towards yourself a little, so you can hit the spring in the right place, like so. And with the plastic cover out of the way, you can undo all those hooks by hand, a few on the right, a few on the left. The bottom ones are not needed, and a few more on the top. Then start with one corner and roll the leather over the seat. And using both hands actually helps a lot. And here's what I'm looking for, the back plate of the Cadillac badge. It has some kind of sticky tape on it, I guess for protection, and the old posts are still attached without the actual badge. So I'll need to remove them one by one, just like so. And now I can insert the badge into the leather seat and use the back plate to fasten it. Just press it firmly and you're all done. And maybe put the sticker back on just in case. Now pull each corner over the top and fasten all those hooks on the back. Put the bottom of the plastic plate inside first and snap both springs into their places. Slide the headrest back in, but once again we'll have to pull on those tiny wire springs for the headrest to go inside. Unscrew those caps from the top and screw them to the bottom. And if you found this video informative, hit the like button and thanks for watching.